Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will delve deeper into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 12, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Starting from January 5, 2024, our system has given Nvidia a hold/accumulate rating, scoring it at 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. To our surprise, Nvidia has outperformed our expectations with an impressive gain of 47.15% since we recommended buying it just 26 days ago. This means that on average, it has been delivering a return of 1.81% per day since it was classified as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, it's difficult to determine the stock's next direction as it could go either way. The stock has broken a strong short-term upward trend and indicates an even stronger rate of rising. If there is a pullback, there will be support at the previous trend's high point of $706.95, which could provide a second opportunity for gains. According to fan theory, $840.40 could be the next possible top level, serving as a resistance that may not be easily surpassed. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 45.47% change expected in the next 3 months, with a possible return between 15.47% and 42.34%. The 12-month trend suggests a 116.65% change over the next year, with a potential return between 51.59% and 95.05%. This means the stock could reach a price range of $1,095.20 to $1,409.17 after a year. In our latest update on Nvidia, we have an interesting headline: Green Day on Monday for Nvidia stock after gaining 0.159%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, February 12, 2024, the Nvidia stock price increased by 0.159%. It went up from $721.33 to $722.48. Throughout the day, the stock had some fluctuations, ranging from a low of $712.50 to a high of $746.11, with a difference of 4.72%. It's worth noting that the price has been rising in 7 out of the last 10 days and has seen an overall increase of 15.66% in the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day, which is seen as a positive sign. In fact, there were 18 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, making a total of 61 million shares bought and sold, with a total value of approximately $44.02 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we find that the highest price the stock reached was $746.11, while the lowest was $204.21. At the moment, the price is 3.17%, or $23.63, below the 52-week high. This high price of $746.11 is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, let's take a look at the latest analyst ratings for Nvidia. On Wednesday, February 7, 2024, Morgan Stanley gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Moving on to Monday, February 5, 2024, Wells Fargo gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, Wedbush gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. Going back to Friday, January 19, 2024, Raymond James gave Nvidia a strong buy grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Tuesday, January 16, 2024, KeyBank gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a general rating of strong buy. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Nvidia stock. The Nvidia stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock will find support at the levels of $696.91 and $579.39. However, if it breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 51.88%. This suggests that there may be further increase until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered to be a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 28 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 69 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 59 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia has found support from accumulated volume at $693.32. This means that there is a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support level is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock can be volatile and is considered to be high risk based on the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $33.61, which is equivalent to a 4.72% movement. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 3.71%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Nvidia, it's important to understand some fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high growth expectations for the company. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2024 is scheduled for February 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $4.51. These figures can significantly impact stock prices, so it's worth monitoring them closely. Today, we're going to delve into potential day trading levels for Nvidia. When analyzing the stock, we find that there isn't any significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This indicates that under the right conditions, Nvidia could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on volume levels to determine the best time to exit. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $693.32. This serves as an important marker, as if the support level holds, it could present an ideal entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound in the stock price. The average rating for Nvidia, according to multiple analyst sources, is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades involved Stevens Mark A., who bought and sold a total of 71,648 shares or options in the company. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -33.513. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 450,407 shares and sold 917,509 shares. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $698.20, which is a decrease of 3.36%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn increases the level of risk associated with it. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 82, further amplifying the overall risk. Furthermore, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 27 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Although Nvidia holds several positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. It would be more prudent to consider it as a hold candidate or accumulate more shares while awaiting further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Nvidia is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, February 13th, we anticipate Nvidia to open up $4.55 and start trading at $727.03. Before we dive into today's video, let's remember an important disclaimer. Trading comes with a high risk of losing money, so it's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is a source of information and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. Your investment decisions are your own responsibility, and by using this information, you agree to take full liability for them. We value your opinion. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's discuss our current view on the stock. And what's your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.